Welcome back, readers. Today we are reading a story together called Fly Guy and the Frankenfly. This book was written by Tedd Arnold. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy, and Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Chapter 1. It was a dark and stormy night. Buzz and Fly Guy were playing. Buzz made puzzles for both of them. Buzz made costumes for both of them. Buzz made a drawing for both of them. Finally, Buzz said, "Time for bed, Fly Guy." Fly Guy said, "Buzz." As Buzz fell asleep, he wondered, what is Fly Guy making? Chapter 2. Late that night, a strange light woke up Buzz. Fly Guy was making something in his laboratory. He was making a monster! Fly Guy turned on the power. The monster sat up. Buzz cried, "It's Frankenfly!" Frankenfly heard Buzz. He stood up. He walked to the bed. Woof, woof, woof. Frankenfly picked up Buzz. Fly Guy yelled, "Buzz!" Fly Guy shut off the power. Crash! Frankenfly dropped Buzz and fell onto the bed. Chapter 3. Buzz fell out of bed and woke up. It was morning. "Wow," said Buzz. "That was a bad dream." Fly Guy was not in his bed. He was asleep on the desk. "Fly Guy," said Buzz, "did you make something last night?" Fly Guy said, "Buzz." "You made me?" asked Buzz. "Yes," said Fly Guy. He pointed to the piece of paper. "It's me," said Buzz. "It's a painting of you and me," said Buzz. "Buzz is Buzz, friend." "How did you paint this? My brushes are too big for you." "Easy." Looks like he used the grape juice. Buzz said, "We are the best friends ever." Fly Guy is my best friend. Buzz is Buzz's friend.